In the little town of Sweetberry, a girl named Piper dreamed of baking the perfect cupcake for the big contest.
This year, I'm going to win!
She measured, stirred, and frosted just like the recipes online said to do. But nothing looked quite right.
Why do mine always look messy?
She tried again. And again. And again. Until her kitchen looked like a sprinkle storm.
Well, at least it smells good. Hey, it's actually yummy. Maybe I'll make them my way.
A spoon of laughter, a pinch of fun. No need to copy anyone. Mix it up, let colors play. My heart knows the sweetest way. Stir in dreams, don't be afraid. Magic's in the mess we made. Every swirl, each sprinkle too, makes something special, makes it you. Stir in laughter, fold in fun. Being yourself's the sweetest one.
Town square full of colorful tables. Piper sets down her imperfect but bright cupcake. Others are tall, shiny, perfect.
This one's different.
It tastes like happiness. I want to make cupcakes like yours. Then make them your way.
And from that day on, Piper never worried about perfect, because she discovered that real sweetness comes from the heart.